Journey maps are great tools for understanding the holistic experience people have across channels and over time with your company, product or service. Customer journey maps can be approached in two ways: current state and future state mapping. Secondly, mapping can be based on hypotheses or on real user data. Current state journey maps visualise the experience customers have when trying to accomplish a goal with your product or company as it exists today. Future state journey maps visualise the best case, ideal state journey for an existing product or a journey for a product that doesn't yet exist. A current state journey map is best used to identify and document existing problems for customers and then determine relevant solutions, emphasise current customer pain points, areas of disconnect in the journey, and overall highs and lows in the user's emotional journey. On a side note, don't forget to highlight the good as well. If you're looking to reinvent the journeys for the better or imagine new experiences, a future state journey map can serve as a planning document for prioritising the features, content or service points that must exist in order to achieve the ideal experience reflected in the map. Future state mapping helps you envision ways of supporting new customer segments or of creating and delivering new offerings. The next approach that you need to decide on is whether you want your team to begin mapping with existing knowledge and validate, invalidate that map later, or conduct primary research up front. The assumption-first approach begins with a workshop where a cross-functional team makes use of already existing knowledge in order to create an assumption hypothesis map. The primary benefit of the assumption-first approach is that it provides an introduction to journey mapping to those who are unfamiliar with the process, helps gain buy-in and aligns siloed team members. The research-first approach begins with a discovery phase of primary user research led by the UX or design team. The research is later consolidated into a map. The obvious benefit of this approach is that it ensures mapping of primary data instead of stakeholder assumptions, but can be lengthy and expensive. This approach holds good for small-scale, contained projects not requiring active collaboration of stakeholders. For most teams, using a hybrid approach for each decision works well. Create a current state map first to understand existing opportunities and then create a future state map to envision new ideas holistically. Use a hypothesis-first approach to build buy-in with stakeholders and follow up with user research to validate or evolve assumptions. Your team size, budget, scope, timeline, and existing journey mapping knowledge and experience are factors that help pick the best approach.